There she is, guys. Delta Airbus A350-900. Item number G2 Delta Alpha Lima 1334. There's nothing special about this box. It's not the see-through one where you can open it up. Let's get right into it. I like the clamshell type protection. Take a look at it. Got the raccoon type eyes. Focus. Pretty big engines. Got the navigation lights or landing lights. What are they called? It's got the kind of a what kind of is that? What's that called? And it's unique to the Airbus 350. I know that much. They're curved. See the curve in it right there? That's definitely identifiable by the Airbus 350. The A350 is the only one that's got those, I'm pretty sure. There you can see the SkyTeam logo, the L1 door. Some markings around the nose. Looks like bullet holes. But it's not, obviously. This is not one of the planes that got shot up. I know what that red right there, that red is for a cutout in case of crash. They cut it out there. There too. Yikes. Why does my camera do that? There's the registration number, November 503 Delta November. Let me get the landing gear on. Well, one thing I found out about this one is it doesn't have the covers for the in-flight operation. They do rotate, but they don't rotate very good. This one rotates really well. This one doesn't rotate very well. And I'm not 100% sure which way. I mean, I know it's facing the right way, but I don't know if I should flip it around or not. Well, anyway, you see the upside down baggage door. Alright, there's the other baggage door. Alright, let's flip it the right way. Oh wow, I really like this. I really like the way this plane looks. Man, I haven't seen many of these 350s in person. Well, actually, I've seen none of them in person, actually. We don't get them too much in Fort Lauderdale, nor definitely don't get them in New Orleans. Landing is a little crooked. What's up with this? Oh my God, it's horrible. Cockeyed, huh? I like the curved wingtips. Catering door. Baggage door looks great. You can see the handle and everything when you open it. And then you open up the little flap and press the button and the hydraulics kick in. The hydraulic open. There's I hope y'all stay to the 4-minute video. This is gonna be a quick video because all my videos, nobody watches all of it, so I have no sense of doing a 6 or 7 minute video. I'll just do a 4-minute video and call it good. There you can see the APU exhaust. Great looking plane. I look at the stats of my videos and no one stays longer than a minute, so it's gonna be a 4-minute video. Great looking plane. Man, I don't know, I'm not a fan of the raccoon eyes, but everything else about it I love. See y'all in the next one. Peace out. Delta.